Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the what is LaunchDarkly. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what is LaunchDarkly? Key concept, that is a feature flag, right? So feature flag is like conditional switch. If enabled, that controls whether a user sees a specific feature or not. Instead of deploying a new version of your app every time you want to change something, you can toggle it remotely with a flag. Okay. So this is what, like, suppose I want to show the menus on the development, not the production ready or something. So in that scenario, I will use my feature flag to enable or disable that one. Okay. So why use launch darkly? Feature management benefit. Okay. So ship code faster, decouple feature release from the code deploy, reduce risk, test features in production for the specific users, experiment and the iterate, A/B test features and the UI changes, instant rollback, turn off a buggy feature instantly, progressive delivery, gradual roll out the features to the users, personalization, show different features to different users. Okay, so that you can use that one. So let's take a scenario. You are launching a redesigned checkout page. Instead of launching it to everyone at once, enable for the internal QA team only. So 10% of the real users, then 50% of monitor the performance and the feedback, full release if no issues. In that case, like I will create like development server or the QA server, and then I make it available for the QA only. Okay, then we will test, then we will disable. If the feature is full-fledged, okay, then we will release it. Okay, controlled and the safe deployment strategy. Okay, second one, kill switch for the critical features. Scenario, a newly released AI assistant crashes under a high load. The scenario, instead of reverting the deployment, you instantly disable the feature via launch darkly dashboard. Okay, zero downtime emergency control, right? So beta testing with power users, you want let the only beta users try out a dark mode feature, and those users to a segment, enable the flag only for them. Okay, so again a scenario is that you want to tweak the number of recommended items on your home page without redeploying, use a flag with the numeric or the JSON, okay, with the recommendation for limit. Next, we can take an example of the a GST calculation feature should be visible only for the users in India. So in that case, we can take a rule setup and do something like this. Okay, so I have used, and from which perspective I'm using, like the sidebar menus, right? So sometimes I want that menus to be enabled on the development and the testing, not on the live. In that scenario, I can use it. Okay, so you can go and explore the launch darkly later on in the videos. I'm going to make you like how we can integrate with the node.js and the react node and the angular like stuff over there. Okay, if you want that one, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.